Chinese potato, also known as koorka, is a tuberous root vegetable that is commonly grown and consumed in various parts of Asia, including China, India, and Southeast Asia. There are two parts to this video. First, we see how to clean Chinese potato or how to clean koorka. Also, in between the video, I answer few of the common questions, so stay till the end. And hey, welcome to El's Alchemy. This Chinese potato stir-fry or koorka recipe is unlike your regular potatoes. Chinese potatoes or koorka have a slightly nutty and earthy flavor with a tender, crisp texture when cooked. They are often described as having a mildly sweet and starchy taste, so you might think, oh, these are damn delicious than the potatoes. But why can't I find it anywhere? And that is because Chinese potatoes are a seasonal crop and are harvested during specific times of the year, depending on the region. So in some places, they are available in the late fall and winter months. In the United States, it's actually mission impossible.
What?
I'm joking. You can find these Chinese potatoes in specialty or grocery stores like H-Mart. Let's get started on this koorka Kerala style recipe. Before we directly start on the Chinese potato stir-fry, here is this one important thing. Apparently, many people get irritated by this. How to clean Chinese potato. Because they are like teeny tiny, you would lose patience in cleaning them. But here, my mother-in-law is a pro. This was a video which I shot when she was cooking this Chinese potato for our family lunch. She starts off with peeling the skin with just a knife. She does a thorough peeling on each Chinese potato and drops each of them in water to prevent oxidation. So does oxidation affect the taste of the Chinese potato? Well, all naturally starchy vegetables, when exposed to oxygen, starches turn gray or brown. An oxidized Chinese potato is still safe to eat. The process is not going to affect the flavor or the texture to the recipe. If you notice closely, she is cutting them into finger slices, something similar to how we do for French fries. Now, after they are cut, they are washed multiple times to remove the starch. Now, this koorka masala or Chinese potato recipe uses very little ingredients. She adds 1 medium-sized red onion. Spices that gets added to the Chinese stir-fry are red chili powder, coriander, meat masala, turmeric, and mustard seeds for tempering. As with any traditional Kerala recipes, tempering is a must. So she is prepping some shallots or pearl onions. In a nice hot pan, add in some coconut oil, mustard seeds, shallots, curry leaves for the aroma. Once they are crisped up, add in the chili, coriander, and meat masala. Now, commercially, you can get the meat masala in any Indian grocery store. Now, meat masala is a spice mix which is very different from the garam masala. Can you substitute with garam masala for this recipe? Of course, yes, but then it won't be the authentic Kerala recipe. Another common rookie mistake is to add your veggies or protein without frying or cooking the spices. Don't do that. She added the Chinese potatoes only after frying the spices. Salt is being added and then some turmeric. She adds in half a cup of water. Now this would be enough to create steam which cooks the Chinese potato. After you add the water, just close the pan with the lid and leave it untouched for 10 minutes. We cook this until the Chinese potatoes are soft. Now, is there any health benefit from eating these Chinese potato or koorka? It's helpful in treating conditions like vomiting or diarrhea, mouth or throat infection or insect bites and other sensory disorders. Now, all of this information was listed on a research paper. I have linked it in the description. Now, let's see what goes well with a Chinese potato stir-fry. Now, any kind of cooked rice, or you can make a wrap with tortilla, lettuce, and some sauce. Its meat-like flavor makes it a wonderful pairing with rice and a buttermilk curry. Now, I will link the recipe for the buttermilk curry in the description. As with any starchy vegetables, exercise caution as koorka is rich in carbs. If you are on a low-carb diet, it's better to eat them without the rice. But you can always make endless recipes once you understand the flavor profile. Speaking of flavors, here is a mouth-watering recipe which uses minimal ingredients that looks perfect for the Thanksgiving dinner, and I shall see you on another video. Take care.